Hello. So clearly the last video was not the final. So what I had to do is that in the evening I was checking and this was a little bit loose. So I actually had to re-glue it. Now it's, so originally I did glue this with some kind of super/instant glue. Now I did glue it with epoxy. And now there is basically no play. It is little bit, actually it was, let's say, glued stuck, but I got it moving, but it is little bit stiff, but there is no play. And yes, I did scratch that little bit. And what I was planning to talk about in this video was that was this really worth it and could I recommend this to anybody? And I would say answer is or twofold. Looking at this reel, somehow for me personally, I think that it was worth it. That, let's say, having the broken handle lid annoyed me quite much. And this looks so much better with working handle. It is quite stiff, so it doesn't turn properly. But still, I would never fish with this. So yes, from the, let's say, this is anyway just something that is a meant for showing, or let's say museum piece is not correct term because it is just for, let's say, being displayed, so display piece. So that sense for me, yes, but I have two 62, so Ambassadeur 6000 from 62, I have two of those. So even this handle should be age appropriate. Because I noticed that the color of that plastic is different on one of my Ambassadeur, and is it from 65 or something like that. So do you want to break the handle of your 62 reel and risk break that also, and then you have, let's say, 62 Ambassadeur with broken handle and Record with broken handle? Or then just instead take this handle from some early Ambassadeur and put it here. I could have done that as well, but basically the handle is the, okay, second, of course, here we see that this is Record Ambassadeur, but the second item which is special in this reel is the handle. So putting the Ambassadeur 62 model handle to this, immediately, okay, for 99% of people they wouldn't know that it would be wrong, but for me, putting wrong handle somehow invalidates the whole thing. So now that the handle is correct, but restored or repaired, so again, for me, it's better. And let's see if this will get a little bit looser. But yes, for most people, the first thing would be to just replace the whole handle. Or just remove the handle if are bothered with it. By the way, something I didn't remember to mention yesterday, that while taking this off, I didn't, let's say, capture that on video, but the record had a small spacer between this and this handle, but it seemed that the 62 model didn't have, but I did put it back. So conclusion, don't do it. And definitely if you do and you ruin both of the reels, don't complain to me. So what do you think? Do you think that it was worth it? Maybe next step would be to find out what would be the correct way to somehow polish this. Yes, there are a lot of fingerprints, but... So what is the next step I should do with this? This is very stiff. But now this might be the last video of this restoring this. So thank you for watching.